Hey everybody, this is Mike at the Pen Outpost. For this video, we're going to be working with the next ink in the Iroshizuku series. Happens to be one of my favorites. It is called Inaho. At least that's how I say it. I'm not claiming to be an expert on pronunciation on any of these, so this one translates to grain of rice, and this is an interesting color, and I'm going to see if I can pull the sheen or shade or whatever you want to call this and see it if I can get it to do it on this paper. I'm trying to get a good Q-tip here that has a lot of a nice loose swab. We'll see if this one will work. You can probably see it by looking right here. If you can see that, I'll show you that up close in a second. It actually pulls some blue, which is really interesting. So I'm gonna put a nice heavy swab, as heavy as I can get it with this particular Q-tip. And we'll give that, let me do a couple of dots like that. We're gonna give that a few minutes to dry and see what happens. And I'll give you some close-ups and let you know what I'm talking about. Well, today is just not my day, so that's okay. Nothing is doing what I want it to do or what it does for me under other circumstances. Maybe it's the paper, maybe it's the swab, I don't know what it is. But anyway, neither of these pulled the color that I wanted it to. So you can see here that it pulls down to, it's called a golden brown. That's the name of the color. But it'll pull some lighter yellows and some darker golds and some browns. So it's got a good range of color. And then when you put it really heavy, I tried to do a second swab when I saw that it wasn't gonna work. And it didn't do too much better, although it pulled some darker colors, but it didn't quite get to the blue. And I find this happens a lot on these dots when we do them. When you put a really heavy swab on the dot, it'll pull blue. So the color almost looks completely different than the color that is actually in the vial. This is the color in the vial, not that. So just FYI, golden brown is the name of the color. That is Iroshizuku Inaho. 2 different versions of it. Available in a 3 milliliter sample, just like that, and a 50 milliliter bottle. Looks like that. The Pen Outpost on eBay and thepenOutpost.com. Thanks for watching.